Take a ride in the 2013 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist, airbags, front knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.